GM. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Squads wallet or multi-sig, but we'll be using Coinbase, which is something that Squads has just started supporting. So if you do a Google search for Coinbase and Squads, this link is not working at the time of this recording. So I'll just head over to the Coinbase website and click the Chrome Web Store wallet extension and get that installed. This is a pretty straightforward thing. You install the extension, it goes and downloads it, you run it, create a new wallet, grab your words for a backup, create a password for it, agree to the terms, and your wallet's ready to go. You can also grab a username, but I don't want to do that right now. So here we are, our wallet's ready to go. Now we need some funds in there, so we're going to transfer from another wallet. We'll copy our Solana address. We'll just send some money over. Alright, give that a minute. And that money should come over shortly. Here we go. So I've got $8.88, 0.07 Sol. And now we're ready to begin. So we just go to app.squads.so, connect, and you'll now see Coinbase Wallet. If it doesn't show up for you straight away, just do a refresh and hit connect again, and you'll see Coinbase Wallet. We agree to connect, and here we are. We've connected successfully using Coinbase. Okay, and now we can create a squad. So it's best practice to create a good ratio. So 2 out of 3 is good, 3 out of 4 is good. Never do 1 of 1, and never do 2 of 2 or 100%, because any one wallet lost means you've lost everything. So let's go here, base squad. You can add an image if you want as well, and give it a name, demoing Coinbase Wallet. Okay, so this wallet is going to be the first member. Let's go add another wallet to be the secondary member. All right, now let's get one more to make sure we're having best practice. Okay, there's our 3 wallets. And we'll say the threshold, like I said before, 2 out of 3 is good. 3 is not very good, because if you lose one wallet or one member disappears, then you've lost everything. And 1 is too low, because any members can easily run away with all the funds or execute things that you don't want to. So here 2 is out of 3 is optimal. Okay, I didn't like this. Let's get rid of that space. All right, so it's going to charge us 0.0533, the fee, which is not too bad for peace of mind. And here we are, Coinbase pops up, and we've sent it. So now that disappeared, but I'm assuming it's working in the background somewhere. There we go, so that was pretty quick. Our squad is created. We've copied our squad, and you can go and send this to your colleagues or other members, which will take them in here as well. And as you can see, all our members are there. And that's a pretty fast way to successfully set up a squad using Coinbase Wallet. Thanks for watching.